Share free HPE0-S60 dumps to practice for Delta, HPE Compute Solutions exam. 1. Which compute node parameters are captured within server hardware type? A. Number of the CPUs. B. Installed operating system. C. Mezzanine card configuration. D. Size of the memory installed. Answer: B. 2. Which statement about manual orchestration during the firmware update is true? A. It is supported only for logical enclosures with at least 3 frames. B. It provides an ability to select and update one side of the interconnect topology at a time. C. It provides the ability to install an older firmware version than currently installed in the interconnect. D. It allows all the interconnect modules to be activated manually at the same time. Answer: B. 3. You are troubleshooting an HPE OneView server profile that presents a critical state. The server profile was configured with a link aggregation group. What should you check to fix the issue? A. If both PHY XNICs are configured with the same speed. B. If the logical enclosure is built on at least 3 HPE Synergy frames. C. If both PHY XNICs are connected to different networks. D. If the logical enclosure is configured with redundant master modules. Answer: A. 4. Your customer plans to expand an existing NPAR based on a single HPE Superdome Flex chassis. Which statement about workload availability during expansion is true? A. Powered NPAR can be expanded only if HPE Superdome Flex 280 is used. B. Online expansion is available only if RMC is used for management. C. HPE Superdome Flex does not support expansion of powered on NPARs. D. Powered NPAR can be expanded if it does not use HPE persistent memory. Answer: A. 5. Which tool can be used to evaluate the health of an HPE OneView appliance before proceeding with an appliance updated? A. HPE Composer Maintenance Console. B. HPE OneView Update Readiness Checker. C. HPE OneView Global Dashboard. D. HPE OneView Firmware Compliance Report. Answer: A. 6. Which statement about a new HPE SimpliVity deployment is true? A. New HPE SimpliVity deployments gives customer flexible choice of hypervisor. B. A new HPE SimpliVity node can be a member of multiple dusters. New HPE SimpliVity models are software optimized. D. All new HPE SimpliVity models are based on mid CPUs. Answer: A. 7. You plan to configure a link aggregation group, LAG, for 2 connections within a server profile for a compute node running an ESXi system. What is required from the VMware side to enable LAG? A. Virtual Distributed Switch. B. vSphere Standard License. C. Load Balancing Cluster. D. Dedicated VM kernel port. Answer: D. 8. Your customer experienced some problems caused by outdated HPE Superdome Flex firmware. Which update method should they use to avoid these issues in the future? A. HPE OneView method for I/O firmware update procedure. B. RMCCLI to update I/O and HPE persistent memory firmware. C. HPE OneView IT HPE persistent memory firmware must be updated. D. HPE SUM if HPE persistent memory firmware must be updated. Answer B. 9. Which statement about a new HPE SimpliVity deployment is true? A. New HPE SimpliVity deployments give customer flexible choice of hypervisor. B. All new HPE SimpliVity models are based on AMD CPUs. C. All new HPE SimpliVity models support deduplication and compression. D. New HPE SimpliVity deployments are licensed per node, not per physical socket. Answer C. 10. Your customer is trying to grow a VMware duster using HPE OneView for VMware vCenter Server. They get an error and cannot proceed. Which tool should you use to troubleshoot the problem? A. HPE OneView for VMware vCenter Server to verify if server profile template S property imported and registered. B. vCenter Server to verify if an OS bund plans property defined and has SSHI image uploaded. C. HPE OneView interface to import an existing cluster using the hypervisor cluster profile functionality. D. ILO interlace of a given HPE Synergy compute node to verify whether this node is registered within HPE OneView. Answer A.